Hi everybody, it's Kurt from Stuff Opa Finds with a demo video. Today's video is for a Panasonic DV900 digital camcorder with palm sight. Has 18x high definition zoom lens, 300x digital zoom. There's a lot of features. This is a very feature-packed camera. Uses a MiniDV tape. We do have a MiniDV tape in here that has been used. This is in great shape. Does not look like it was used much. There is an hour tape that came with it that has about a full hour of video on it. We will keep that and use that for testing purposes to protect the identity of the people that owned this prior. We will, though, supply one brand new Maxell 60-minute DV video cassette digital. It comes with the original instruction manual, a shoulder strap that does not appear to have been installed, a couple of cables, a video cable to connect to your VCR or TV. This cable is for use with this. This is the battery charger, the battery which is on the back of the camcorder right here, slides into here, and then there's a cable to plug it into the wall. Charges it in about an hour. The battery was charged a couple days ago. It's holding a charge. We don't know what the life is left in the battery because we don't know how old or how much use it's had. But it does work and hold a charge for now. This can be used if you don't have a charged battery to be able to run this direct power without a battery installed using that. There's a case, and I think that's about it. So let's do a quick demo on the camcorder. It has the palm strap, the lens cap. So we're just going to put this on camera mode, open the LCD screen, and just shoot a little quick video of the product. Okay, sorry about that. Here's the screen. There's the case. Battery charger, the cables, the tape, all the cables, what have you. It does have the zoom, which I think we can probably... There's the zoom. Zoom works great. Okay, so I'm going to stop it now and then we will play the video back. Okay, now we'll switch it to VCR mode. And we'll do a rewind. And play. Okay, sorry about that. Here's the screen. There's the case. Battery charger, the cables, the tape, all the cables, what have you. It does have the zoom, which I think we can probably... There's the zoom. Zoom works great. Okay, so I'm going to stop it now and then we will play the video back. Case, the instruction manual, the strap, the tape, a couple cables, power cable. Alright, so you get the idea. It works. Camcorder, almost new condition, works as good as it could be ever working. Works great. Nice and clean. It's for sale on eBay on Stuff Opa Finds. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.